Good morning and welcome to Cherrytree Shutters. My name is Darren and today we are fitting in Southampton. Just on the way to the yard at the moment, so we're just going to get loaded. Dan will be fitting with me today. We've got quite a big job lined up, so we've got a few triangle shutters, we've got a few square shutters, and we've got a track system as well, so you'll get quite a good idea of exactly what we're capable of and the sort of things we do on a day-to-day basis. Like I said, just heading to the yard now. We'll get loaded and we'll get on our way. Okay, so as you can see, that's the first triangle shutter all in and all finished. Went in really nicely. So these are the pure white shutters with the 76mm louver with the hidden tilt. Hidden tilt just basically means that there's no bars that run down the front of the louvers. You'll just move them with your hands and they all move together. So yeah, this one's all nice and all finished, so on to the next one. So that's us all finished for today. Quite a long day in the end. There's quite a few shutters there to fit, but really nice job, really happy with the outcome. Customers over the moon with them, so that's the main thing. So if you're in the Southampton area and you're interested in Plantation shutters, then why not give us a call, or you can check the website at www.cherrytreeshutters.co.uk. We offer a free no obligation quotation, and we're now offering 0% interest free finance on all shutters as well. So yeah, if you're interested, get in touch. That's the end of today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.